The X Factor to Increasing Sales and Marketing, Module 14 of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. You at the right place at the right time. This is a review for you go ahead and move forward with your business, start a business, increase your profits today. You'll learn how to do that in terms of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. If you don't have the bootcamp right now, what are you waiting for? Click on the link below to get started right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video training review today of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. Now, the X Factor to Increasing Sales and Profits is what this training module is all about. And if you haven't yet, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more edutainment ways to increase profits, start a business, and help your life today. Now, in here, I really like the X Factor to multiplying your sales. So when you get one sale, you want to learn how to get the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. And with this training here, you'll learn how to do that effectively. Let me pause it in one area that I want you to see. I'm going to pause it one place. Here's a place here. So this is just a review here. You'll watch this whole entire review video. And I want to pause it right here on social media. If leveraged correctly, a simple Facebook, hold on, I'm sorry, pause it there. Let me go back. If leveraged correctly, a simple Facebook fan page and profile can be two of the most high impact tools to use to position yourself as a celebrity advisor. Now, here's the thing. When you're starting a Facebook page, it's very important to not only brand yourself, but give value and content of ways to multiplying sales. Now, this is not the only way of doing it. I just wanted to pause it here on social media because right now we're on a social media platform of YouTube. And I just wanted to show you there is the fact that you can increase sales using social media. But this training here on the X Factor, I want you to go here and watch the entire training. It's about 15 minutes long. It doesn't take a lot of the time. Take your time and learn this and watch this multiple times because that's what I had to do. I had to watch this multiple times to really get a good understanding of this. Now watch this entire video, maybe 2 times, maybe 3 times, and then you want to go here of how the top earner is increasing their profits effectively. Now this video training here, let me pause it. I'm gonna go to one section. I want to go to one section. So I wanted to go to one section. I want to go to one section there, but watch this entire video here. This is a really good. These are top earner secrets. You can learn how profit maximizing, and you can learn strategy in this. So pay attention in this video. Now, just that you watch this video does not mean that you're going to instantly make money. So results are not typical. These individuals are professionals. They took the time to learn the craft. And that's why you're here in the Profit Boosting Bootcamp, because you want to learn the craft. You want to learn how to maximize your efforts and your profits. So watch this video here. This video is about 44 to 45 minutes long. So this is about 15 minutes. This is about 45 minutes. So that's about 60 minutes of training in module number 14. Now, after you watch this once or twice or even 3 times, I'm just telling you because that's what I had to do. Because the first time when I watched it, I didn't understand it. I'll be honest. Second time, I was like, okay, I'm getting it. By the third time, I was ready to go. So you may not have to watch it that many times. I'm just sharing you my experiences when I went to the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. And then what I did, and what I want you to do, is come down here at the bottom of the page to complete the module information by submitting this information into your advisor. Put a good email address, just like you do in all the module trainings, a good email address, and then put your biggest takeaway from module 14. It's so important to do that because the advisor, he or she, can review your notes and give you the proper direction moving forward. Now, this is only module 14. You'll go to module 15 when you're in the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. And if you're not part of it right now, click on the link below, right below this video. Click there, get signed up, get started, and tell your advisor, I want the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. for the Super Affiliate Network. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe as well. But I want you to click on the link below, get started with the bootcamp, and I'll see you on Module 15 review as well. That's the final module review of the Profit Boosting Bootcamp. I can't wait to see you on the next module review.